Hey everybody, Dirty Dan here. Today we're going to be restoring this little tiny Bachmann N-scale mic. So yeah, let's get into it. First thing I want to do is I want to see what this thing, if it actually works or not. Because I really have not tested this thing at all. Okay, it sort of works. That's good. But it's not working fully, so let's get this thing apart.
Howdy do there, people. I'm glad to see you. I know, I hear you. What is a dragon doing in a country music show? Well, let me tell you how it happened. In olden days, whenever a knight would stick me with his lance, I'd have to heat the seat of his tin can pants. Oh, ow. But I'm the kind of dragon that don't want to do no wrong. Just let me play guitar and sing a country song. Well, across this old country he wandered and he roamed.
Then he came upon these hills, and now they're home sweet home.
And I got me some good friends who like to sing and smile. So settle back and just relax and stay a while. Yes, he's country, you'll hear him bragging.
He rides around in a covered wagon.
Tex Ritter is my name, country music is my game. He's a genuine authentic, countrified, electrified, genuine country dragon. Woo-wee.
Okay, people. After a lot of time working on this thing, let's give it a shot. Hold it right there, Buckaroony. You guys thought I was gonna lie to you. Yeah, it took a little bit longer than a long time. More like hours and hours, because you see that little screw right there? Yeah, that tiny little screw. Well, guess what? I dropped it on the ground. And this is N-scale we're talking about, so that is microscopic. I spent 5, maybe 6 hours just looking for that screw. And guess what? I didn't actually find the screw. I found a different screw. That worked to some miracle. But, yeah. So, it took a little bit longer than a long time. And this is not even mentioning the time I spent. You could probably see me gluing all of the axles back together. Every single one was cracked. And let me just mention the immense complexity that this thing has on the inside that it doesn't need to have. But anyways, yeah, I'll let you guys get to watch the rest of the video. Oh, come on. Does like reverse. Okay, guys, well, basically, I have news. This thing doesn't run perfect, but I know I can get it to run perfect if I just spend a little bit more time on it. But I don't think it's worth my time right now since I don't have an N-scale layout and I don't plan on running this thing very often. But I will show you. It does run. And it runs pretty alright, you know? Although the motor has been overheating, and I can't get it to, like, oh, let me get that off the track, that might help. Anyways, it is actually running, and I'm really happy. It's got all trucks on it, you know? It's made a few full loops so far, so, you know, it's still not perfect, but it's getting somewhere, and that's what I'm really happy about. But anyways, people, that's gonna have to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.